How to turn off read receipts on WhatsApp. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to read the messages without the blue tick, here is how you can turn off the read receipts. First of all, make sure you have updated your WhatsApp. After that, tap on WhatsApp application. Then after, go to the three dots on the top right corner and tap on settings. Once you are on settings, tap on the privacy option. Inside the privacy button, you will see read receipts option. Once turned off, you won't send or receive the read receipts. However, keep in mind the read receipts are always sent for the group chats. So this is how simply you can turn off read receipts on WhatsApp. To turn it back on, you simply have to toggle on the option and you're good to go. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.